Hello. Hi everyone, my name is Vamshi Pagilla. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vamshi Pagilla. I do make fashion content videos, especially for both men and women, including all the fashion content, and have done almost 20 plus street shopping markets videos in my YouTube channel, including Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, etc. अगर आप अभी देख रहे हो, this is a place where I'm from, like मैं हैदराबाद का हूँ, and this market is from Hyderabad, which is one of most favorite, like most और trendy भी है this market, which is known as Amirpet Street Shopping Market. If you are from Hyderabad, you would know this market for sure. Even it is very famous in two states, especially Telangana and AP में, because this is like one of the most cheapest market but with a good quality. Most of the women and especially men also shop from here. As you can see, you will have every material over here. T-shirts for 100, 199, 99. You can see for boys and girls you have it is starting from 50 rupees. What you can expect more than 50 rupees. You're getting clothes here. As you can see, people are like, especially on weekends, if you're coming here, you would be feeling that thrill to see that crowd over here. That जितना like demand है ये market को आपको समझ आएगा. As if you're going now, like you can see the 250, 350 plus 2, like 350 को दो कुर्तियाँ मिल रहे हैं. And what you want more, especially this is very affordable for the college students, where they want to try about the fashion trends and to change their fashion styles every week, every day, so that they can use this dresses for that, because it is all about the fast fashion and you can use them. Trendy रह सकते हैं. And you can see here 2 pieces for 200 I guess. And you can see इतना wide range of variety है. It's not even like a cheap quality. आपको bargaining भी चलेगा. You can see here 250 for like bags. And बच्चे के कपड़े इतने cute है ना, I couldn't say. My friend took for their what they call like चाचा के बेटियों के लिए लिया था. इतने क्यूट थे ना. You can guess the price is just for 75 and 100 rupees. And it was a cotton material, मस्त था. And after that we went just by going, so that I want to show you all of the things. You can see यहाँ XXL के भी tops मिल रहे हैं. Like it is like size friendly shops है यहाँ, and you are getting sizes from S to XXL. And as you can see यहाँ track pants मिल रहे हैं. यहाँ bag separate lane है, पूरा bags ही थे. इसके बाद you can see this fixed prices, tops for 150, tops for 250, which would be very affordable for most of the people to get. I wouldn't say that this is costlier, but this is very in a affordable range, I would say, because 250 150 तो अभी लगा सकते हैं सब, क्योंकि especially for clothes. And there are not only, when you call about Amirpet street shopping, it's not only about that you'll only get the street shopping varieties over there. You have biggest shopping malls over here just beside back. As you can see, you have KLM, CMR, Reddy, RS Brothers and all those things. So you can see that like there are shops, there are street shops, you can shop in anywhere you want, but the lane, the Amirpet, is very famous for the shopping zone, because this is the main center point of the Hyderabad, I would say. This is like a typical Hyderabad. अभी तो हैदराबाद बढ़ गया है, like Hyderabad has been expanded, but before, like it is a center part. If you don't know, Amirpet, Khairatabad, Kote, these are the main premium market, like a street shopping markets in the in the past. But now Hyderabad have been expanded, and you have many streets now for Madhapur food streets and DLF food streets. Or else first it used to be like only these, like an authentic street markets है. And I'm trying to show you as much as I can show you the variety, so that when you're going, so that आपको एक idea रहेगा कि लेना है नहीं लेना है. So इसके हिसाब से you can take it. And I'm so happy to make this video, because I'm doing videos of my Hyderabad at this moment to show you all, and this would be very happy moment for me when I'm recording, that I can see that itna variety of range of collection that I have been very impressed. Though I didn't shop anything, because I don't had any idea or plan to take something for my sisters or my mother, or else I would have taken it. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.